aortic arch? What am I looking
Brachiocephalic.
at here? Brachiocephalic, and the brachiocephalic is going to give rise to what three vessels?
The subclavian.
What is this one here? Right subclavian. This one?
Common carotid.
Right common carotid. This one? Left common carotid. And what do we have over here? Left subclavian. What is this large vessel here? Superior vena cava. What do we have here? Right common carotid. And this one? Left common carotid. This vessel here?
Brachiocephalic.
Brachiocephalic. What about this very brief segment here?
Subclavian.
Subclavian. If I'm pointing to this vessel right here, where would the blood drain next?
To the axillary vein.
Axillary, right? If this is the brachial, then we'll go to the axillary after that, right, which our axillary would be here. What is this vessel? Brachial artery. And then we talked about this last week. In cats, we didn't go beyond this, but I told you in the human, this brachial artery would split into what arteries down at the antebrachium? Radial and ulnar. Perfect. All right. What do we have there? This
Zygus.
the azygos. And what do we have here?
Trunk.
Intercostal.
This large, which one? Thoracic aorta. So from the thoracic aorta, where's the blood going to flow to next? The abdominal aorta. All right. So if I'm pointing to this vessel here, what is this vessel going to supply next? What are the three major organs that are being supplied by this vessel? Stomach, spleen, and liver, right? And what is the vessel?
Cephalic. Trunk.
Celiac trunk. Celiac.
Celiac.
Celiac trunk. This vessel here, what is that supplying? The intestines, right? The mesentery, the intestines. This vessel,
Renal artery.
and what does that supply?
Kidneys.
And as blood goes through the kidneys and is done going through the kidneys, what vessel will bring it back to the general circulation?
Renal vein.
Renal vein, and that renal vein then drains into what?
Inferior vena cava.
Inferior vena cava. Alright. What is this large vessel here? Abdominal aorta. If we get to the very end of this abdominal aorta, what vessels does that give rise to? Iliac, external iliac arteries, left and right external iliacs. Notice this is the uterine horn. Here's the ovary way up here, this region. So what is the red, tiny red vessel that we're seeing here?
Ovarian artery.
Ovarian. And the blue one that's draining into the renal? Ovarian vein. What do we have here? Inferior mesenteric. What about this guy here? Left internal iliac artery. What do we have here? What is the large blue vessel here, right in the center?
Is it the common iliac?
So it's kind of hard to see. This guy right here.
The common
Iliac vein. And if you're noticing where the probe is, if you can see it. No, you can't see it. Well, this would have split right there. Hard to see the split, but right where the probe is where it split off. That split would have given rise to what two vessels? external and internal iliac veins. In reality, those two come together to form what vessel? The common iliac, right? What do we have out here?
Femoral.
Femoral. And then finally the last one down way by the knee here. Saphenous. And that's it.